going on, guys? So I apologize if the wind is horrible. I don't know if it is or not. I don't have my regular camera with me today. I'm actually just using my phone because of the quality of the last video. You guys seem to like that, and so it's not going to be your normal kind of vlogging style herping trip. But I'm going down these tracks here. Apparently it doesn't have the automatic focus. I don't really know what that's about. But we're gonna be walking these tracks and seeing what we can find. And test out this 4K again. But hopefully with a lot more critters. Look at him. In situ. Just as I flipped him. Beautiful little creature. Not as big as one that me and Lucas found, but still absolutely awesome. Hey buddy, where you going? You going burrow? I'm sure the other one's gonna be under there too. It's just nice to come check in on them, like you know they're gonna be there. Super cool. Where are you going? You freaking out? Don't freak out, buddy. Don't freak out. There you go. Yeah. Yep, there we have it. I think we've established that solo logs here are home to these little spotted salamanders. They're not spotted salamanders. Southern two lines. That's really cool. That's awesome. Stuff being flipped and not flipped back. This pretty fresh flip too. So it makes sense as to why I'm not finding anything right now. It's because people are already flipping stuff. I was gonna go down this little trail because, you know, I haven't been down it before, but that being flipped like that, not a good sign. So we'll give it about 100 yards, see what's up. But a little herping tip for you guys: anytime you have a convergence like this field and then woods, A, great place to lay 10. B, really good chances of finding stuff. Because whenever two different kind of habitats like that like coincide, then that's usually when the magic happens. Spot the herp. There's my foot. There he is. Right there. See how close I can get to him. Hello, buddy. You are just adorable, aren't you? He's gonna go. He's going. There you go. Go on, Belle. Maybe I can get him. Nope. Oh, these are getting big. Oh, man. These are berries. Oh, I can get it. No, I can't get it. Here you go, guys. Here's that snake for you. That is not 6 foot long. That is a black red snake though. Really cool. Spicy boy. It's glued. Northern map turtle. I've never found one of those in the wild. Slimy salamander. Oh my gosh, look at him. Look at him. God, you are huge. You are huge. Hang on, I'm gonna try to get some pictures of you. Wow. Come here, buddy. He's cold. Never ever get tired of seeing these guys. Look at him. You're getting me all slimy, aren't you? You dick. Look at that. Oh, no. Alright, I'm gonna let you do your thing. Wow. Look at you. Wow. Alright. I'm catching in case you fall. There you go. Perfect. Get some pictures of. Alright, we'll let him go. Alright, well, we've harassed this guy enough. We'll let him get back into his thing. Here you go, buddy. See all these newts right here? Just kind of chilling. They're out everywhere. I'm not yet seeing any right in here. There's one chasing a goldfish. Get him, buddy. Get him. Let's see if I can try to catch one close to here. They all seem to pretty much be out there. But there could be a couple. Still, that's really, really cool to see. Them just hanging out, swimming. Well, I got one. Going back in the water, buddy? Going back in the water? Yeah. There you go. There's one right there. There's another one right there. There's one right here. They really are everywhere. Good Lord. Alright, so I just flipped this guy, and I don't know. He's got the patterning, kinda, of a southern two-line, but you guys let me know. I don't think this is a southern two-line. Is this a redback? If it is, it's a lifer for me. Oh. I don't know. Okay, alright. You do your thing, dude. Put your log back. Huh. Yeah. You guys let me know in the comments what that was. Because I have no idea. Alright guys, well that's going to do it for today's vlog. I gotta get home and get ready for this live stream. But let me know in the comments what you think about the herping vlogging style with my phone, with the 4K versus with my regular camera. It's something to get used to, especially for me, pulling out my phone every 5 seconds. But it would only be temporarily until I got an actual 4K camera. But anyway, yeah, let me know what you think, and I'm gonna go hang out with you guys in this live stream. And yeah, that's all I got.